Hi everyone. Our trust and estate quick tip today is going to talk about wills. So, when is a will really important? I'm sure you've heard me talk about the fact that wills do not keep your estate out of probate. So, they aren't good for something like that. You want to look at a trust for that. But when are wills really important? So, sometimes people have a will and they say everything to my spouse, then everything to my kids. And that's what happens under Florida law anyway. So the will doesn't even do anything. But when is it really important? The will is really important, even just a basic will, when you want to change what would otherwise happen under Florida law. So, number one, if you want to choose who should administer your estate, that's your personal representative. If that's important, then the will can be very beneficial. Or if you want to modify who would receive your estate, something different than what would happen under Florida law. So if you want to disinherit your spouse to the extent that you're allowed to disinherit them under the Florida law, or if you want to disinherit your kids, or if you just want your estate to go to your friend, your neighbor, something other than what the default would be under Florida law, then it is uber important to have even a basic will. It's also very important if you have minor kids, if you don't have a separate trust, then at least put some trust provisions in your will so that nothing passes to those minor kids, which would go into a guardianship. So very, very important, even a basic will, modifying your personal representatives, modifying who your beneficiaries would otherwise be, and having some sort of, they call it a testamentary trust provisions if you have minor kids.